Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm going to show you how to write a gig title in Fiverr. So as you can see, we are now currently on the buyer's page, and just make sure that you have already created your seller account. And after that, just click on the top right hand corner here on switch to selling. And after that, you'll be redirected here on the seller dashboard, and click on your profile logo on the top right hand corner and click on profile. And you'll see all these options. You could edit your infos here, just like that. You'll see your drafts and active gigs. Let's just create a new gig, or you can edit your current gig and just replace the title. And here on the gig title, you will see an example here. Just input anything you want. So let's try the example right here. I will do something I am really good at, just like that, and fill out all the remaining options and click on save and continue. And if you haven't finished all these other sections, just go through it and just fill out all the options and you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.